This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Rebecca Blythorn. Welcome to 918 Mercer Dining Room. This spacious condo offers 2 bedrooms, both with walk-in closets, 2 full bathrooms, new carpet in both bedrooms, ceramic tile in entry, kitchen, laundry, and both baths, and very nice new LVP in living/dining room. Kitchen offers loads of storage with abundant cabinets and pantry. All kitchen appliances convey including new dishwasher. Outside you will enjoy the 16 by 10 patio with retractable awning as you sit out and enjoy your private backyard space. HVAC is approx 1 year old with transferrable warranty. Low HOA fee at only $60 per month. Come make this lovely end unit yours today. New garage door ordered and scheduled to be installed by August 26. For more information, review the details below or contact Rebecca Blythorn at 865-966-1111.